Oh, it's on my face. Get her. Get her, Daisy. Get her. Get her. Get her.
Daisy, get her. Daisy, get her. Daisy, get her.
Now she's just mad at the world.
Daisy, get her. Get her.
Don't be a puss. Get away from the chair.
I just ruined your day right there.
Get her, Daisy. Get her. Get her. Diamond's like, I just want to kiss you now. Give me kisses. Let me kiss you. Diamond, get away from the chair. I don't play pussy games.
It's called Fight a War You Just Started.
I know, she's just like, kiss me. Kiss me, Daisy. Diamond's not even barking anymore. That's all she wanted was for Daisy to play. Get her, Daisy. Get her. Get her.
It's really dark.
Yeah, I got you. Oh,
Open
sorry.
up the curtain and then you'll be able to see the dogs. Oh, there you go. You can see the dogs now.
Interrupted. Sorry. Excuse me. Get her, Daisy. Get her. Get her.
That was so cheap.
I know. She's like, ah, joke's on you. I'm hoping she bites you. I don't think she will.
This is Daisy's play mode. This is all she does when she plays is just growl and make that noise. That's all she does. If you hear me mess with her, that's all she does. She means nothing.
Diamond, get away from the chair. Get away from the chair.
And Daisy will find a weak point in you and she'll go for it every time.
What? Get away from the chair. Go.
Diamond, why do you run away so
Go.
easily?
Diamond's like done now. She's like, yeah, I'm done. Diamond, don't.
Foot attack. Foot attack. Attack the foot.
I'll throw you right into Daisy.
And Daisy's just like circling like, what? No.
Oh yeah, show them teeth first.
Oh, a little growl? A little growl going on?
I know, I heard that. It was a little.
Basically, the only reason I can tell I'm recording the dogs is because I see white. And I know it's Diamond.
Oh! Diamond's getting tricky on Daisy. Going in between the legs and stuff.
As long as no blood is drawn, I think we're good.
As long as it comes out of Diamond.
Just sit there. I'm done, man. I'm done.
Tell her, Daisy. Get her. Get her, Daisy. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her.
You have full opportunity to put your muzzle on her freaking face right now. You're not doing it.
Diamond loves being thrown around by big dogs.
I don't understand
Look
that.
at her.
Just love me, damn it. Love me.
I know. Why don't you love me, Daisy? I just want to love you. Let me love you.
This is our life. This is what we do every day.
Oh.
All I see is Daisy.
Diamond gives up.
I see your face.
She can kind of tell Daisy's getting tired.
Circle. Circle
Alright.
time.
Hey, get
Really?
boobies. I knew she was gonna do that to Daisy because she's like, boobies? Boobies?
It's like, oh my god.
Boobies! Let me lick your boobie! Boobie! A few more minutes and then you gotta knock it off. Daisy's getting hot.
Yeah. Except Daisy will never stop. Okay, once this hits 6, we're done.
LOL fucking penis face.
Oh, look at this.
Your mom just sent me a picture. She's like, we got a party over at Mike's and it's just mad cars and people.
Oh, that thing's stuck there. You got nowhere to run.
Get her, get her, get her, get her.
Diamond's mad because I moved the table. She can't run around it.
Oh, Diamond's getting mouthy.
The whole time you've been silent. Now you bark. Oh my god, if you're watching it from this angle, all you see is Diamond go like this, like, down, bitch, down.